All right, hey everybody, welcome to InfoComm 2026. My name is Ryan Hedges here with TRENDnet, here at booth N7315, and today I actually want to show you guys one of our new models that we have here at the show. It's actually going to be our managed power distribution unit. This guy here is actually a smart power strip. It comes with 14 managed outlets. Each of them can be managed individually. Each outlet is also rated at 15 amps, which is fantastic. It does have a thermal fuse. It is remote managed compatible as well, and it does give us a nice LCD screen on the front to give us some quick reference information for those need-to-know installations and stuff as well. The nice thing about this as well is it does sit in a 2U rack space, so it does sit nice and convenient in your rack deployment like you see here. And it's a great way to manage your power from appliances to switches to other networking peripherals you may have in your security or in your AV installation as well. You can also find more information too at our website at www.trendnet.com. You can also stop by our booth here today or tomorrow to find out more information as well on this product, as well as other products that we have available too as well.